All right, we are on day 12. I can't believe we're on day 12. We are flying through this. I saw a post yesterday that I really wanted to address. There was somebody who commented, I've hardly filled out my sheet. I do this when it comes to tracking my food. I start out strong for a day or two and then I peter out. And I can't seem to get that together, kind of how do you do that? And if you are in the Half Size Me community, just want to let you know, this is why I put together my time management course. What I had learned in my journey was that if I don't prioritize the most important things, aka my health, my habits, things that will move me forward, whether it's Half Size Me, whether it's my weight loss journey, it doesn't happen, right? There's always a distraction. So I had kind of started doing this thing called time blocking, where I put certain times on my calendar and I focus on certain specific goals, whether it's pre-tracking my food, working out. And what I would encourage you to do, if this is not an area you are strong in, is start to look into resources that will teach you how to prioritize those things that are important to you, that are going to move you toward your goals. And really it's going to come down to time management, because if you don't devote time to it, it won't happen. If everything else somehow trumps it time-wise, or you don't have a clear road to how you're going to get through the day and get all these things done, then you're probably always going to come up short. Now, my time management course for community members would be a good place to start. I just recently shared a podcast with Nir Eyal, I believe is how you would pronounce his last name, Eyal. It's on being indistractable. There's two podcasts. One, The Good Life Project. I'm currently listening to that one. And then he's also been featured on the Wolf You Feed podcast. And he's talking about the book Indistractable, which I've yet to read, but sounds fantastic. It's all about time blocking. It's all about how to prioritize those things that are important to you. Because if you weren't successful with this challenge, with being consistent, showing up, checking in, it's probably due to this time management issue that I'm talking about. If you have good time management and you block out, let's just say 15, 20 minutes every day to work on this, and you don't schedule anything else at the same time, you will get it done. But if you don't really harness the power of your time and you don't block it out, there's always going to be something that's seemingly more urgent and more pressing in the moment. It will always fall through the cracks. I know, because I used to be that person. It wasn't until I started doing time blocking, putting everything on my schedule, that I actually started to not say, oh, I can't do that, I don't have enough time. Now I have time, I know I do. It's what is the most important thing to me to put in that time block. So just wanted to mention that for this and future challenges. If that's you, start looking at it now, start fixing it now, so you can be successful with whatever goal you have. All right, continue to check in the next couple days. I am excited. I've seen a lot of people showing up super consistently. That's awesome. And if you're not that consistent person, start looking into some of these resources we're talking about. You guys have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.